I'm sharing my. So in yesterday's session, we have discussed about. I can 1 second. Yeah. So in today's session, we're gonna discuss about update sets, migration of update sets. So what is the basic use of update sets, guys? Update sets is nothing but if something needs to be carried, it's like a bucket. What the changes can have everything. So basically, if I can say, it is like a memory card, guys. Something like if you have any memory card, if you want to transfer a data or from from one instance to another instance, right? So if I can, if Pravalika has a laptop, I need some data from her laptop to my laptop. What I need to do? So basically, we can transfer a data through a pen drive, a memory card, through the external source, right? Otherwise, we can do one more thing. If we have an airdrop, we can directly share it on the airdrop, right? This is how we can share the data from one instance to another instance. So likewise, if we can say in ServiceNow also, from lower instance to higher instance, we can transfer the data, right? So basically, update sets also use like that only. So in usual language, it is like a mediator from to migrate the data from one instance to another instance in XML format, right? So to create update sets, what we need to do first. So basically, you can go to Application Navigator first. So just type update sets. So if you can type update sets, there are multiple things has been came on, right? So I will tell one by one all these things, guys. So basically, we have multiple options to migrate our update sets from one instance to another instance, like through the XML format. So if we can download the XML and we can import the XML, right? So that is the one way. What we can use usually, and second way is update source. Basically, from the update source also we can migrate the update sets, guys. But if the something has been break on lower instances, update sets won't accept. So that is the reason update sources. I never use update sources. Why? Because download of XML and migrating XML is good thing. It's a best practice, I can say. So here we have a retrieved update sets and update logs, local update sets, merge update sets, all the things we can see here. So we already discussed about update sources and what is meant by retrieved update sets. So guys, make a note on these, guys. These two are important. Retrieved update set and local update sets two are important. So basically, if someone is asking to migrate your update sets from one instance to another instance, first what you need to do, you need to create a local update set in your lower instances first, right? Then you can capture your all updates in your local update set. Then you can close that update set, you can download, export that XML. Then you can go to higher instance. There you need to type retriever update sets. In lower instances, what you are working on, what are all the changes you need to capture, you need to take local update set for that, right? I'm repeating, guys. So whatever the changes, whatever the things you need to capture on your system, that is called local update set. We need to take local update set for that, right? So after successfully completed on your update sets, you have captured all the updates in your update set. You need to migrate from lower instance to higher instance. In higher instance, to migrate for migration of update sets in the higher instance, what you need to take retrieved update sets, guys, rather than writing local update sets you have created here. There you need to retrieve. Create for creation local update sets. For exports, for export, you need to retrieve your update sets. Got my point? So this is the most important thing, guys. So merge update sets is nothing but if you can take, if you can have a bulk two update sets together, you can merge all the updates. So one update is having an 20, 30 updates are there. So if you can, I can say all the two update sets needs to be merged as a single update sets. For that, what you need to do is you can use merge update sets, right? So first, what we need to do, I need to, oh, I'll open a ATF. I want to capture my one of the tests in our okay. So otherwise, I'll take incident on. Okay. So guys, I have opened this update set. So I want to capture all the updates from this update set. So what you need to do is I'm deleting the false steps, guys. Why? Because if you can make a changes, right, that steps also will capture on that. So that is the reason I have deleted the false steps, right? First of all, I'll run the test. What is the failure here? Expected short description. mm, Not to be mandatory. It was a mandatory. The step number. Okay, field state validation. Pull this out here, and I'm saving this record. I'm updating this record. So I'll run the test first, whether it was successfully executing or not. I'll take updates. So it was executing properly. Validating the field values and states. Mhm. Other activities test. Why it was getting reloaded? Let's rerun this test, guys. Okay. Action has been done now. That's why it was breaked. So guys, if something is not working, I already told you, right? If you are not able to run or the something else, you can just view all the progress tests. You can delete there. If some test is running in between, it was stopped unfortunately, but still you are not able to work it on. So what you need to do at that time is you can simply open client test runner first. There is a client test runner. So guys, test is still not executing. Why? We haven't opened a client test runner. That is why it was not executed. So now we have opened our client test runner. Then it was automatically started executing. You can see which test is running. Why the system is behaving oddly? It was running here. Let's see what happens. Why automatically it was getting reloaded? The web page was reloaded because problem occurred. Which problem? I can close all the things, guys. I'll start it from the scratch. I don't wanna run, guys. I'll just simply migrate and I'll let you know. So okay, so our main motive is to learn about update sets, guys. So first of all, to migrate update sets, what you need to do, I want to copy this all the test in our update sets. So I want to migrate our update sets from one instance to another instance. So for that, what you need to do is, first of all, you can type local update sets here. Right. In your local update set, create new update set, click on new, then just type incident demo 3rd January. Okay. So guys, here we have submit and make current. So basically, if we can submit, your update set will create successfully. So if you can observe here how to check your update set was active or not, you can simply hover a mouse on your global symbol so that you can see your application scope is global and update sets also a default global. So if you can see here, if you want to submit your record, it will just create a record. If you can click on submit and make current, it will make a current update set for you guys. So I can refresh this page so that it will update. Yeah, if you can see, guys, so I have clicked on submit and make current, right? So automatically your update set has came here, right? That is the difference between submit and submit make current. If you can click on submit, that will only create your record. If you can click on submit and make current, it will create a record along with, it will make that update set current update set to that means if you have made it as a your current update set, whatever the changes you are doing in your system, all the changes will capture, apart from just going with the flows and all the things. Whatever the things, if you have deleted the record, that will capture. If you have updated the record, that will capture. If you have made any changes, not going with the flows, if you had making any changes on the system, whatever the system is available in the system, if you have make any updation, creation or deletion, everything will captured on this update set, guys, right? So I want to capture all our update sets here in my current update set. What I need to do, so basically I have opened this as a side on. So I need to capture all the updates of this incident record. So for this, what we need to do is, guys, so if you can see, we have customer updates, update sets logs, child update sets, everything. Customer update set means whatever the updates we will capture, all the updates will be captured over here, right, guys? That is called a customer updates, right? So basically, what we need to do is, if we can say, I need to capture all these 10 steps and the test. For this, what we need to do, so just I'll make a changes, I'll made a changes on my list view, guys. So I'm making this as true false, I have made these changes, and simply I'll make this again from false to true. Right. So if we can see here, just I'm refreshing this page. See all the changes, whatever we have uh, made, that all changes has been captured here, right? So till here we are good. So if that works or not, no guys. Why? Because we have captured our steps only. We haven't captured our test yet. So to capture our test also, what you need to do, you can make any changes on your name or description, something else. You can just simply save your record so that automatically the record will save, right? So I have made a changes in your particular test, right? So I am opening this thing in our update sets also. I'm refreshing this page again. So basically we have earlier 10 records, that is only test steps. Now I have made a changes on my test also, so that has been captured successfully. If you can see here, the test also captured successfully. Now it will execute. If we don't capture, if we haven't captured our test, it won't we are not able to run our test. But why? Because system doesn't know which test it was. It was known, system will know only the test steps. It doesn't know about the test, right? So we have captured our all updates, that is whatever the steps are available here. For capturing of steps, guys, what you have done is we have made a changes in our list view from true to false, false to true, or something else. You can do any changes, guys. If you need, if you can open your step and you need to, you can update, that will also work. But it was a lengthy process. What I'm saying is basically you can create your test until without creating any update set. Then once you can execute your test perfectly, if it is running successfully, then you can made a changes in your particular list view. Automatically it will capture. We don't have any that much we will not get any problem also, right? You can make a change, a simple full stop or something space also it will take. So one character also will take, right? That you can capture your text also. So we have captured all our tests here. So what you need to do is we can what all updates has been captured. The state is in progress earlier. If you can observe in the related links also, we don't have any related link available to export or XML, right? So for this, what you need to do is you can complete your you can keep your state as complete, and then you can update. So if you can see here, guys, we have three states are available. One is in progress, and second is complete, and third one is ignore, right? So if we can use in progress, that means you are still working on that update sets, right? If we can keep it incomplete, the update sets has been complete. If we can take ignore, you have ignored that update set, that is no more in use. That means no more in use, guys, right? So I want to keep the state incomplete, and I will save this record. So earlier we don't have export to XML option is available, right? So now we have export XML option is available here. I'm downloading this. You can change the offsets. Okay, I have downloaded my update sets from here, right? So I'm closing my instance. I'll open someone's instance. So I'll use Divya's instance for now. Okay. Divya, is this active, right? I mean, you have used this recently, or instance has been
It's
opened?
active. Just now also I tried opened. Yes.
So guys, in my instance, what I have done is I have captured my update sets by clicking on, okay, by taking a local update sets. I have created an update set and I have captured all the updates, right? So now this is a Divya's instance. So I need to migrate that ATF test whatever I have created in my instance. So I want to migrate that test script to here. So what I need to do is I have created a local update set there. I have exported an XML. So now I need to take retrieved update sets here. There we have taken local update sets, guys. Make sure now we need to take retrieved update sets, right? For migration, we need to take retrieved update sets, guys. I have clicked on retrieved update sets. Now no update sets. Okay, so I have an option called application or name something else. I have clicked on these three dots. We have exported XML in my system. I need to import that XML. So whatever XML I have download, that XML needs to be imported to the system, right? Then only it will come, right? So I can click on import XML. I'll choose the file. Then I'm uploading this. See guys, the same name, same thing has been came on here, right? So till here we are good. Our updates has been came here, but can we able to see the same thing here now? No. Why? Why? Because we haven't. So our test name is incident demo third gen, right? So if I can search with incident demo, no record has been found, right? Why? Because we have retrieved our update set, but still we haven't committed that update set, guys, right? If we can commit that update set, then we can able to see our test there. So to commit that update set, the system has loaded itself, but still we have, if we can see, the state was not committed. System has only a loaded state only. So we have loaded the thing, but we haven't implemented or we haven't committed that update set or something else, right? So for to commit our update sets, what we need to do is we need to first click on preview update set. See guys, we have total 11 update sets are there, 11 updates are there. The same 11 has came here. So I'm closing this. Total, we have 11 steps are inserted. New steps, for new steps, it will came as inserted. So if you can updating on your own systems, it will come as updated. If some collisions are there, if something, you can get an errors on your update steps also. Which errors you will mostly find out if something has been there in your particular system, right? So the same thing you have captured again and you are migrating this thing again and again. So that will comes under an collision, guys. That means system is saying, Arey Baba, I already have the same updates. Why you are pushing and again and again? So that is the reason we'll get a collision. So it knows the updates has been there. So it was shown as collision. If already updates are there, then. So we have previewed our update sets. After previewing our update sets, what you need to do is we need to click on our commit update sets. Until and unless you are not committing your update set, you are not supposed to get the same updates in your system. It will not reflect in your system. So once you can click on your commit update set, then only it will reflect on your system, otherwise it won't, right? So I'm committing this update set. It was committed now. So see guys, it was committed. Now I'm refreshing this page. The state will change to committed. So now I'll quickly refresh this page. See guys, now it has came. Earlier, we are unable to find our update set here. Now we can able to find our update set in the system. So we haven't created anything in Divya system. I have created in my system. I have just migrated my test to Divya's test. Got it, guys? So if I can open the same steps what I have written, the same things what we have done, everything will be there, guys. See, the same 10 steps what we have written there, that all has been migrated to here, right? So in Divya's system, properties are not enabled. That is the reason we are unable to see the run button. Yeah. Okay, I have enabled the properties. Now we are able to run our test as well, guys. See, earlier we don't have any button until and unless we haven't enabled the properties, right? So I want to run this test here. So I'm just running the test. So similar wise, whatever the test we have created, whatever the test we will create, everything will capture, guys. We can create a test case or test suite, everything we can create, right? For example, we have a multiple, I can say multiple update sets are available. So I need to migrate all the update sets together. Is this possible? Yes, we can migrate all the update sets together also by using a parent update sets. I'll say that concept as well, guys. Something is not working from my Safari. This is a Safari problem, I think so. That is why the web page is getting reloaded. So this is the concept of your update sets, guys. So I have migrated only one update set. So I need to, if for example I have multiple update sets are available, I can say there are 5 to 10 update sets are available on the same package. That means the same package means, if we can say on the incident only, I can have a multiple tests are running on the same form. I am having a multiple tests. So I need to migrate all the tests together in a single shot. At that time, what we need to do? So we have a concept called, I'm opening a local update sets here again. So I have opened a local update sets, guys, right? So I'm taking a new. So we have a parent is available here. So if I can take this as incident demo as a parent, right? For example, this is my main update set, the parent update set. For parent update sets, we have a multiple update sets are available as a child update sets. So I can add all the update sets. Incident demo Jan 2123. This is my update sets name. So submit. I'm just submitting, guys. I don't wanna take all these things. I will create one more. Now it is for 1234. I'll take a parent as this one. Submit. Okay. So now I'll complete these two update sets, whatever I have there. I'm keeping this incomplete. Just saving this. Again, I'm keeping this thing as well incomplete. I'm saving this again. Yeah. Okay, guys, we have completed these two update sets. Now if I want to migrate all the three update sets together, for example, this update set have 40 steps or 30 steps. This update sets have 30, 40 steps again. So I don't wanna retrieve individual update sets. I mean, I can say I don't wanna um, retrieve our update sets individually. I want to migrate all update sets in one go. At that time, what I need to do is I'll just simply open this update set. I'll migrate only the parent update sets. Why? Because if we can observe, there are two child update sets are available for this update set, right? So I'll just complete this update set. Then I will export this XML. I will import the same XML, not these two XMLs. I don't want to migrate these two again. I'll just simply migrate my parent update sets itself, not a child things. So if you can see already child update sets has been captured to parent update sets. Why? Why? Because we have already declared that the parent update set is incident demo 3rd Jan. So the child update sets are 1 2 3 and 1 2 3 4, right? This is how we can use our update sets, guys. So if we can see, I want to discuss one more thing with you guys. So everyone can say, someone, if someone can ask, we have any possibility to work on our custom applications for the ATFs, right? So yes, we can do, guys. Custom for a custom applications also we can do. How we can do? Basically, I can show you. I'll open a test. Incident. So guys, if we can see, application is global. So that means we are working on global applications. So can we work on other applications apart from the global? So that means, can we work on a custom applications? Yes, we can. So for that, what we need to do is, so you can change your, for example, you have any custom application, so you can change your application scope as something else, so that I'm taking this change management ATF. Sorry, change management ATF as my application scope, right? So now I have made a change as my application scope as change management ATF. So if I can try to create a test now, duplicate this tab first. I'll take a new. See guys, the application scope has been changed, right? This is what the scoped application. For scoped applications also you can perform your ATFs, guys. There are some limitations are there while you are working with the custom applications rather than a global, right? So if you can see here, the application is global. So I have changed my application scope to change management ATF. Then I try to create my ATF. Then my application scope has been changed to change management ATF. So assume this as a scoped applications. Assume this as an scoped application or customized application. So you have made a change. You have uh, select that custom application. Then you try to create your ATF. Then automatically the application scope will be there, right? This is how we can work it on our scoped applications as well, guys, right? So okay guys, we are good with the things. I'll stop here. Anyone having any doubts on this? Hello?
No
Hello.
problem. We are